Hello and welcome. Please note Zeetron is not responsible for repair work done to your phone if done by yourself. So if you feel uncomfortable doing the work, you can always send it in or walk into one of our local repair shops. Today I will show you our latest item, the original Red color swap. There are many imitators on the web, so choose wisely as Zeetron has been the first to provide any types of color swap services. We offer clear, red, pink, white, and much more, conveniently located on our website www.zeetron.com. You can also check out our videos for more info. So over here, as you can see, this iPhone is red. All the parts are flush along with the silver panel. And there's two ways of doing this. Now you can either have it done professionally by us, or you can order the do-it-yourself kit. Now the do-it-yourself kit looks like this. This would be your front. Now a quick note, with the older iPhones, it would be the LCD and digitizer would be separate. However, with the iPhone 4, it's one piece. And if you buy them separately, it simply won't work. You have to get the full assembly. And this is the back piece. As you can see, the flash diffuser is here, and everything you need for the do-it-yourself kit is available on our website. Followed by the tools and the special iPhone 4 screwdriver. Now, some iPhones come with the regular Phillips screws, and some actually come with this pentalobe screwdriver. It's a 5-point star screwdriver that some of the phones actually come with. And just to show you one more time, beautiful red phone. Alright, and be sure to check out our other videos, as we do also have the white, the pink, the clear, and many more.